a pitcher plant. They, for the plant, are well worth having, for they're very nutritious.
Every morning the tree shrew visits its neighbourhood pitchers. It depends on the sugary solution that exudes from hairs on the pitcher's lid. In return for the free food, the tree shrew leaves a gift. A gracilis pitcher plant attracts ants to the underside of its lid with drops of nectar. The force of the raindrops make it impossible for the ants to hold on. And there they drown. Their bodies dissolve and are absorbed by the plant. The more insects the plant consumes, the bigger the pitchers it produces.